Let's talk about marketing training tips. To become great, I keep on saying this, right? How many times have I said it? Practice, drill, and rehearse over and over again. Why do I keep on saying that? Because it's important. I'm practicing, I'm drilling it on you guys, and I want you to rehearse so you guys can actually be successful. So here are the musts that you need to do to train yourself, to train your staff, to train your team, to train everyone to learn. Train daily. It's important. Spend 15 minutes, put a couple, scenarios in front of you, and just do it. When you wake up every day, give yourself a scenario and say, all right, this is a scenario, Michael, how would you handle it? Bam, talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Record yourself. Come back to work, show it to somebody and say, hey, does this sound convincing to you? Does this seem like it's going to work for you if I actually use this on you? Okay? When you do your training, it should be done with the goal of increasing production now. Not yesterday. Okay? Not today. Not tomorrow. It is used for now, okay? Remember, you should have done more last time anyways, right? So you have to do this now. You are training for the now, not the future, the now. And when you are training yourself, when you're training your staff, it's okay to attend and watch a training like you just did right now, like you're doing right now. And that is great. But once you have that training, that is where you need to have short segmented training. And that's our Home Health Success University, where we have more than 300 hours of training, 300 hours of variety of different ideas and techniques to be able to help you guys. And we provide those in a 20-second segment training videos, or we actually provide those in 20, 30-minute training as well. So on a daily basis, you should always be training yourself. And I tell people this, and that's why with our Home Health Success University that we have so many different videos, and even our free videos that we have on our own YouTube channel that is available for everybody to watch. I suggest that you watch maybe 3 or 4 of those videos a day before going to work. And you don't have to watch it. You can be driving, have it plugged in, and just listen to the words that I'm saying to you guys. And paying attention and start feeling what you're going to be able to work for you so that you can really see eventually that you are going to be able to create success. Right? Next thing is this. Your training must be measurable and rewarded. If you're seeing that there are certain things that you're doing during your training that's creating success for you, reward yourself. There should be rewards. If your team that you're training actually sees some success, have some outings. Remember, you must enjoy your success. You must be able to make sure that you reward yourself so that you know that what you're doing is right. Also, focus should be on the top employees, not just the bottom. We get hired sometimes to come into an organization and train some of their marketers that are failing. Some of their marketers are not producing. I would rather be hired to train marketers who are right there that just needs additional push, an additional nudge to be able to bring in success. Because the ones who are failing a lot are a lot harder to be able to bring success to you. And we forget to train our best people. And sometimes in a home health agency, for a medical home health agency, we should be training the DONs, the administrators, the receptionists, because those are the people that know the services and are great to teach, to market for the company. But if you bring in somebody who doesn't have experience, those are also great to train. Let me tell you something. The hardest ones to train are these marketers or wannabe marketers that claims to be marketers. They come to an agency and they said, we're good at what we do. I want you to pay me $60,000 because this is how we do it. And then all of a sudden they can't produce. And then we get asked to come in and train them. And it turns out to be that they say they have experience, but really they don't even have a single process set up. And now we're going to have to try to work and go past their main objections. They themselves have large objections. So it doesn't matter though. We want to train everyone. But to provide great training, to provide this, you must do this in one main training that we provide and then short segmented bursts of training, pretty much continuing education to be able to keep on adding more information to you, to keep on adding information so that you become ready to experience any pains, any problems that may arise, to be able to know how to handle certain things that comes up. It should be accessible all throughout the day, and that's why our videos are available on YouTube for you guys. That's why it's available. So if you as an owner learn the techniques on how to be able to market your companies, that is important, and you need to be able to provide training. This is important. The biggest thing missed by agencies is that they do not train their marketers. They want to train their nurses. They want to train them so that they know how to give quality, amazing care, but they forget to train and educate their marketers. I've seen it in the past where I'll ask a marketer, when I'm doing a presentation, I will ask someone and say, okay, tell me what are the main 3 qualifications of a patient to be able to receive Medicare services. And I will guarantee you even just those 3 basics, it will be hard to get everyone to be able to write that down and give me the answer. We are teaching you the basics so that we can teach you how to become great. But first, the basics are important. And I'm glad that you're taking this journey with us.